Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms, sending flowers to me.
Hello, and today I will be doing spicy noodles challenge. So I'm going to get the spicy noodles off my fridge. So I did. I just found out my spicy noodles, those are also spicy noodles in my wok. So you guys can try them at that fine channel. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification and then look over there. So that's how I will open the box up. Okay, now let's try it. 3, 2, 1. I wasn't expecting that, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. I wasn't expecting that, but don't. I'm not trying to eat the spicy noodles again. Those are my worst enemies. Bye-bye!
Thank you.